So I did this basic DIY body lotion at home and I decided to share it with you. I'm loving the consistency. Like, it was mostly water based and I wanted it to be really light. So if you like to see how I achieved this, just keep watching. You can make this in the comfort of your home. This is just a blueprint for you to know how you can make your own lotions. You can incorporate it with a lot of things. You can tweak it, use your own oils that you love, and make your own moisturizing body lotion at home. Like, you know exactly what you're putting on your skin because you know the ingredients you use. So these are the ingredients I use. I think I'll be writing their names and the amount that I use for this particular lotion. You can make it thicker. If you like to see a video how you can make a thick body lotion depending on your skin type, then let me know down in the comment section. So I'm just going ahead. I'm showing you all the ingredients I use. This is really simple. This is basic. Nothing complicated about it. This is just a basic moisturizing lotion. Yeah, so let's go ahead and watch. So you just go ahead and combine everything as you're seeing. Combine your wax, your stearic acid, and your... It's that simple. Just combine your butters, your oils into your waxes. And go ahead. After that, you can pop it into the microwave if you want, like a quick fix, or you do it just the way you see me doing it by putting in the hot water bath for all the oils and the butters and the waxes to melt. You can go ahead and use any oil of your choice. Like I said, any butter of your choice. Yeah, just go ahead and do what I'm doing. Mix it up and then you put it in the water bath for it to melt. When doing lotion, we have about 3 phases. You have the oil phase, you have the water phase, and when you're going to put in your preservatives and the other oils that you want to use. So, and definitely you'll be needing a humectant. You can go ahead and use honey or you use glycerin. So I'll be using glycerin for this particular recipe, if I may call it that. So yeah, just go ahead and watch. I'm just stirring it to help it like combine and melt faster. So after melting it, you just go ahead and set it aside, and then you bring in your warm water. Guys, I made a little mistake. My water was not really hot, and you see how I'm going to struggle with this particular mixture. But make sure your water and your oil is at the same temperature. But don't panic. Even if you made a mistake and your oil was not that hot, just go ahead, stick blend. You will see everything. Just go ahead and stick blend it and everything will like incorporate. So that's me pouring my oils, my butter, and my waxes into the water. And as you can see, if my water was at the same temperature, you wouldn't even see the oil like separating from the water. It will just tend to melt. But trust me, stick blend it and you will be fine. So you might see it giving it bubbles and bubbles because of the palm kernel oil I added. See, palm kernel oil is very nourishing to the body. My kids, I basically use palm oil on their body and it absorbs so well and their color is superb. So hence the bubbles is because of the palm kernel oil. For those who make soap, or if you have ever watched a soap video, when you use palm kernel oil to make your soap, that soap lathers a lot. Hence the bubbles you are seeing. So there's nothing wrong with it. As it cools down, the bubbles are going to like disappear. you will see this in the video. So just keep on stick blending. As you blend, you can see it is like watery, but as it blends and as it cools down, it's going to get a little bit thicker. So I'm going to ahead to add my glycerin. You can as well add your glycerin in your warm water, but I just decided to add my glycerin after stick blending it for a while. So I'm going to, I already gave the measurement. I think I wrote the measurements on screen when I was introducing the products. So just go ahead and stick blending. It's giving it that orangey pinkish kind of color because my glycerin had color. So adding my vitamin E oil. It's advisable to add your vitamin E oil after you've already melted your waxes and you've blended it, so that you don't destroy the potency of the vitamin E oil. So after adding it, just go ahead and stir again so that it can fully combine. Yeah, that's the word. I've never used pumpkin oil to make lotion before, so hence I was really struggling with the bubbles. Yeah, after that, just go ahead and add in your preservative. If you don't have preservative, it's fine, but make sure you do a really small batch that you can store in the refrigerator, and yeah, so that it doesn't grow more. And the best water to use is distilled water because it's the purest form of water. I didn't have distilled water, so I used mineral water. Hence I made a really small batch. You see how thick it's becoming. Yeah, but for this particular lotion, I really wanted it to be light, like light lotion. Hence I put a lot of water and like little butters and oil. So after that, just go ahead and put it into your container, because if you leave it, it's going to be like thicker, and maybe depending on the container you're using, it's going to be difficult for you to pour it inside. You see, I don't have steady hands and the thing was just spilling over. Luckily I put that bowl on that. So yeah, that's how you can make basic lotion. You can tweak it, you can add in other actives in it for it. So depending on what you want, if you want it to be a lighting lotion or brightening lotion, whatever, you can go ahead and add in other ingredients. But this is just basic lotion and showing you how you can do it. Therefore you can tweak it to whatever you want. Please guys, if you're not subscribed, do me well to subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push this video, and I will see you on my next production. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Happy DIY. Keep doing DIYs. They're nice, they're good. You know what you're putting on your skin. And bye bye.